Got me falling right back.
Why having a high credit rating is so important in today's society. Having a high score is so important. Having a good credit score is used for more than just getting a credit card or a loan. The great thing about credit that if your credit is not in good shape with time and knowing what to do, you can fix it and get on the right track to having good credit. Now let's go over really quickly why having good credit is so important. 1. You need good credit to live comfortably. Yes, people, this is true, and here is why. Because of many businesses, landlords, mortgage lenders, utility providers, and even employers will use your credit to predict your future financial responsibility. And this can a great impact on where you live and work. 2. Business loans require good credit. Want to start that business? You will need good credit to get a business loan. 3. Credit checks for employment. 4. Buying a car. 5. Avoid security deposits on utilities. 6. Buying a home. 7. Renting an apartment. 8. Opening a bank account. 9. Personal loans. 10. Avoid paying higher insurance rates. 11. Get better interest rates. 12. Get a cell phone with no deposit. 13. Better car insurance rates. 14. Have access to higher credit limits and have better negotiating power. Credit reports are kept on most people in almost every country in the world. It is a record that is kept on individuals in most companies. This report has information that is vital to a person's credit status and can determine whether or not you can do things such as finance a car or buy a house. Sometimes it is necessary to fix or rebuild credit, and with a bad credit repair report, you can find out how to begin. A credit report contains information such as when a person borrowed money in the past and when they paid it back. It can also provide details like a bankruptcy or a late payment history. These things can eventually hurt your credit report if they are not taken care of in the proper manner. Poor credit can make it very hard to get a loan or even rent a place to live. Reading through a bad credit repair report is a good way to learn how to fix these problems. One of the ways you can begin to repair bad credit is to make a budget so that you are not spending more money than you are making. Budgeting your bills and your money will help you to see where your money is going, and you will see all of your bills so that none of them get overlooked. Doing this should allow you to have extra money to pay some of the bills that have been paid late. Start paying your bills on time so that you do not get a bad report about late payments, because that also hurts your credit. Another way to fix your credit is to write a letter of dispute to the company who has reported your bad debt. You will need to check with each company and get some information like their address and who to send the letter to. Most companies will reconcile the dispute within 15 or so days. This will definitely help your credit score to up, and, with good credit, you will be able to get things like auto financing and lender financing. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this information. And if you are one of the many people suffering from bad credit, please know it's not the end of the world. There is help, and if you want to improve your score or make it better, there is a special link in the description. Best of all, your FICO score will skyrocket in the process. Then you can finally have the things you want and deserve. For more info, check the link in the description.